Hello guys, so if you really want to shorten down, you just open my package and open my scene. That's it. That's it you need to do. Okay, but you don't. But if you want to know more and want to adjust more values, you have to watch my tutorial. Thanks. Welcome guys. So basically we just creating a new scene here. And we preparing figures. We just delete it for now. Very important that you must name it figures, otherwise the code won't work. So basically we just making here sprite with not automatic grid but with manual. Okay, that's good for now. Slice it and delete it with del. I only want 6 figures for this tutorial, but you can use more. We creating a new cylinder. Yeah, reset position. Yeah, scale it down by 8 on X and Z, and rotate it on the Z axis. There we go. Let's rename it to wheel body. We add the new script. That's where which we can roll this wheel. Set the slices. The slice is the number of the tokens in a wheel. But if you don't understand what I'm doing here, you will get it in the late. We make a new token. Yeah, and very important that that the hierarchy system must be like this. I set up wheels and wheel body inside, and the child of the wheel body is a token. Add this token to sprite and token placer script. So yeah, here we have a simple texture just for scale. It's just for seeing how the slices are gonna end up in the cylinder. But if you don't understand, it's okay. It's you just do it with me, and you will get it at the end. So 11 divided by 8. Yeah, and I copied. Okay, let's put it on the cylinder. And so I just offset it in the X. So here we can see how much space have on each slice on the cylinder. Okay. Let's put in a border. That which is checking if the which token is in the place, as you will see. Don't worry. Okay, and what must be the first child? I highlighted it in the video, the border. So again, the hierarchy system is important because that's how the code knows. Okay, and put it on get current script and box collider. We set it trigger and just scale it a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. But you can see it's inside. I scale it too, this one too. It not really matters, but if there are two tokens in the field, it may cause this problem at the reward. But don't worry if you don't get this right now. Okay, just like this. It's not have to be accurate or something. Okay, scale it a little bit. Okay. Okay, next step we're gonna write our token. So open the image and just name it however you want. It doesn't really matter. I call it lion, tiger, etc. Okay, copy that one. Open the token pool slip, and here are some comments. You can read it, but you can skip it, of course, and copy it. And here is how many of each tokens on one row. So I copy this and put it in the array. Okay, save it. We make a controller empty game object and put it the bank and wheel collider. You can put it in two places, the wheel controller and the bank. So two empty object, but I just did it like this. Okay. Oops. So yes, here were some bugs, but I cleared it all. So I set it the column number, but you don't have to. It's not even needed for this tutorial, so you can skip it. And that other token pool, it's very important that you put it on the wheel, and the token placer on the token. Let's save that. Save our scene. Call it casino wheel. I'm just a little bit lost. Okay, put the canvas on the scene. You can see there are buttons now. Yeah, and you have to, yeah, the buttons you can make it your own, but you have to put the functions which I show on a everything on the controller. So yeah, roll for roll, stop for stop. It's in the scene. It's a wheel. It's on the wheel controller. Yeah, stop. Betting. Open up. Bet up button. All right. Put it. All right. Yeah. Yeah. It's bet up. Bet down. Okay. Oh, actually I ruined this, but it doesn't need it for this tutorial, so it's all right. Yeah, you get some errors, which is already fixed. All right, and you can see here it's rolling. But I just recorrected with this one. So I basically just did one thing. I I delete the wheels now in this project, but you see, the wheel have to be in the wheels game object, and the wheels it has to be called wheels. Basically, that's it. So you can here see it's rolling, and here we must add the rigid body, otherwise the the border don't know which token is in place. And you can see there it's changing at the get current script. So it's working fine now. Okay. I just move a little bit closer. Okay, it's fine, I guess. So put the reward in the scene. Here it is. Just uncheck it. And we got the imply in the script. Yeah, here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nothing changed. But the script now is writing if you have at least 3 symbols. Get your reward. And yeah, we will put more wheels. Just duplicate with Control D. Yeah, slide along the x axis. Yeah, it don't have to be accurate or something, but you can put exact numbers. Okay, I just want 4. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, again, columns are not really used at this time, but I just set it. It will be needed when you have more lines, but it's in the next tutorial if you guys like it. So basically, we only have one line now. Yeah, put the background. Yeah, position is like this, and yeah, it's very important that you under the wheels section you don't put any other game object. So we just put it there, and we will get out because it ruins the script. Okay, delete again, and here I just want to, yeah, I just want the body to not be seen. Okay, duplicate it again. Yeah, put the background outside. It's very important. Yeah, and again I just position it. Yeah, something like this, it's okay. Okay, it's out of border again. Yeah, I just reposition it again. Let's put this a little bit in. Yeah. Okay, let's see how it rolls. So it rolls fine. Yeah, and now we are going to adjust each wheel. So it's clamp stop is for smooth stopping, so not like like it's slowing down. It's if you go backwards, it's spinning in the other wheel. I change the speed, so it's not gonna be so that boring. Okay. So here you can adjust any value for your uh, casino game. And here you can see that two of these, the second and the fourth line, is stopping smoothly. Or the first, I don't know. Yeah, first. So here you just have to, the reward button have to be accepted. So the game goes on, and we just setting that. A bank as accept reward, and yeah, it's good to go. So let's check the reward if it's working. I in the token blue I put 88 lions, so it's we get a reward almost always. Almost. So let's start it. Yeah, you can see it's rolling. Yeah, and here we have, yeah, you can see it's working great. So here is a basic